guys, can you guess this amazing place? Come and take a tour with me.
The scenic wonder, Ellora Gorge. Welcome to my channel. I am Ricky and today I am going to explore Ellora Gorge Conservation Area, which is located in the western edge of Ellora, Ontario, Canada. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Please hit the bell icon to get the notification. After buying the passes at the entrance, we turn towards right and after few hundred meters, there is a parking lot. We parked the car over there and started to explore the place by walking. Let's see what's in the store. There are lots of designated areas for picnicking or to chill out. Imagine you are having fun time with your friends and family in the middle of the dense woods and hearing the songs of the flowing water and feeling the rustling wind through the woods.
Can you see there? The trees are too dense. I'm feeling like that. I'm going for meditation. Baby, you woke me up. Oh my god, for the first time I'm feeling the real forest. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Here is the way towards the tubing point. This road goes through dense woods.
Now I'm going towards tubing point. So let's see. Just see how dense the conservation area is. So it is cool. Now I can hear the falling water or flowing water, whatever. I can hear the noise. Let's see what's happening there.
I can see a small breeze here. Let's come and explore it.
See the flow of water.
Just after crossing the bridge, we are going to start our hiking from here towards the tubing point. This is a nice place and the weather is just perfect. You can see people are heading towards the tubing point with their tubing gears. Everywhere you can get the warning boards. And our work is to respect the safety rules. You can see the staircases and they lead towards the tubing point. Due to the COVID-19 situation, maintaining physical distance is wise. Finally, we reached at the tubing point. The gorge is really so stiff. At the particular part of this river, the current is intense, so people like to start their tubing from here. Spent a nice time at the bank of Grand River, and now this is the time to go back.
We are going back after the hiking and after seeing the tubing point.
On our way back to the parking lot, we chose a different route instead of the usual road.
Are you getting tired or what?
No, I'm not tired. This is the sound of enjoying the peace. It's so peaceful, it's so calm.
Actually, we lost our way to the parking lot.
We could see some people over there.
So we decided to follow them.
Now we are taking a shortcut path.
Bye bye. See you in the next vlog. Stay safe, stay strong.